How to download Walmart app. Welcome and let's get right into this easy tutorial. Starting off, you need to launch your Play Store application or App Store if you are using an iOS device. Search for Walmart and click on it. After which you will see the install button. Tap on the install button. Wait until it is completely installed in your device. Mind it will take a while depending upon your Wi-Fi connection. After it is installed, just tap on the open button. To sign in into your Walmart account, select on the sign in button. Start off by entering your email address, your first name, last name, your phone number, and some of your more personal details. Create a password, then sign in into your account. It should be a quick and easy process. However, if you face any of the difficulty regarding it, press and hold onto your Walmart application. Head over to App Info and force stop it. Head to Storage and Cache and clear it up. To check for update, open up your Play Store and if there isn't any update, make sure to click on the update button. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.